Hey there, Dr. Crypto here with a Tap Global XTP update. So, I hope everybody is having a fantastic, great day, whatever you're doing. But also, if you want to sign up to Tap Global, there is a link down below in the description with a referral link. I think if you sign up, you get like £1 worth of Bitcoin or something like that. But anyway, the referral link is down below in the description if you wish to do that. But also, as I always ask, if you'd like to give us a thumbs up, or if you want to give us a thumbs down, whatever you want to do, it's good for the algorithm. Give us a thumbs up though, give us a subscribe. That is always appreciated. And because like I want to be transparent on the channel I've created. I just want to be 100% transparent in what I do. So anyway, enough of that. So let's get into XTP and see where we are. So right, looking on the coin market cap for XTP. So we're slightly down by 1% on the 24 hours. But look at that volume here. We're 195.75% in volume up. So that is looking pretty good. And obviously Bitcoin at the moment is just banging its head against that 25,000. We get over 25,000 by $100 or so, and then we drop down $100-$200 below for Bitcoin. So yeah, there's a little bit of volatility there. Bulls and bears battling away, and it's the same here with XTP. The bulls and the bears are battling away, you know. So I just want to put it out that regarding this project, I've been doing investing really, for the good part of 15 to 20 years. I've been in the crypto market for around about 4 years, you know, and I've invested a lot of time and money into smaller projects, you know, and it's done me well. There's a lot of volatility to these, and there's risk. There's risk to everything you do. In the crypto or the stock markets, in life in general, there's a risk. But with this project, it excites me because they've got the exposure of America coming in March, updates to the app, and also, no doubt, partnerships will be building. Behind the scenes, we don't know what's going on and what they're building, but they will release it when they feel fit. It needs to be done. And this project is trading on the stock markets, and like I said, we've got the exposure to the US. We've also got, like I said, the update to the apps. But this is not a short-term hold for myself. This is something that I'm going to be holding over this next couple of years or so. So all this little movements to the downside we see does not faze me whatsoever. Like when I've gone invested in younger companies, the volatility there, the liquidity is building up on this project. As time goes on, and exposure to new countries and exposure to new exchanges listing XTP, that liquidity will come in. So it will be very difficult for the people, the whales, to be able to manipulate as much as they sort of do. But you just got to bear in mind that's what happens. You'll have the whales, you know, buying and selling, and it moves the markets a little bit. But for that, it doesn't faze me whatsoever. You know, I'm in for this for the long term. Like I said, at least a couple of years or plus. You know, I will take profits on the way as I accumulate and the prices are down. But, you know, this is a long-term hold. So any of these movements do not faze me at all. Obviously, like everybody, it's always good to see nice big green candles. It's lovely to see that. But, you know, when it comes to negativity and comments and such like, you know, it doesn't faze me at all. You know, I just see that as just noise, irritating noise, really, which I basically shrug off and think, yeah, whatever. You know, because I've many projects I've invested in before, I've seen so many negative comments, and then the project ends up even mooning even more, you know, and then they get more negative then on the comments because they've missed out on the boat or what like. And I'm probably being a bit too personal on this bit, but this is how I feel sometimes. I see on projects, and I always say to people also, never put more money than you're willing to lose. Always have a plan, or, you know, have a plan where you're going to be taking profits, where you're going to be accumulating. You know, where do you want to accumulate, where do you want to take profits, and You know, do your due diligence, research the project, research who's behind the project, what are they doing. You know, I check every day. Every day I'm checking. You know, on Investigate, is there any more news coming? Check the website, see if there's been any changes. You know, I do all that, all risk management. You know. And yeah, because at the end of the day, you're investing money into something, and you should be doing that. You should be doing the risk management. But you know, looking at the project itself, it's looking really healthy. It's an exciting project. So it's an exciting future for it, I feel. But yeah, so we can look on the XTP. But like I said, look at that. You know, we've gone up. As I said on our videos, over 9,000%, you know, and we all want it to pump up even more, like, you know. But at the moment, we're in this range. This range here is just accumulation range. So, like I said, it's a bit volatile, but we're accumulating. We've had an 8 to 9,000% push up, you know. And basically, this is why we're accumulating here. So if we go down on the 4 hour, reset that. But right now, it's just this node here. If we can break through these nodes here, we've got around about a 21%. So if we go from here to around about here, oh, actually, it's about a 26%. So yeah, slightly out there. But the stock RSI isn't oversold or isn't overbought. You know, so we just got to get past this. But like I said, if we get past these nodes here, there is absolutely hardly anything in between. And then we could get back up to where we were back in beginning of February. You know, so yeah, I'm just like, you know, it's looking, like I said, it's looking pretty healthy to me. You know, because when you, like I said, when you zoom out, like I said, on the daily, you think, blooming heck, look at that. You know, but then look on the monthly, you've got another 1,000% to go. So we've had that uptick. So from here to the all-time high of there is around about 1,813%. You know, and in the bull market, could that push a little bit further up? Of course it could. Could go to 72 pence or something like that. You do not know. It could, maybe, go to $1. We do not know. Nobody knows. I've seen some crazy stuff in the crypto space where things have really pelted up past expectation. You know, so, but looking at this at the moment, XTP is looking pretty good. And you can still see there's more buyers and more sellers. This is the XTP to Bitcoin. But look at this. You've got 13 million here, which is around about 5 Bitcoin, 2 Bitcoin, 1 Bitcoin, 1 Bitcoin, 1 Bitcoin, half a Bitcoin. But this 5 Bitcoin, whoever that is, I'll probably potentially have a funny feeling. But yeah, so, but yeah, looking at this, it's looking pretty good compared to, look at this. The sellers, there's hardly anything there. But the buyers, there's lots and lots and lots. So overall, XTP, long-term bullish, even medium-term bullish. We're just basically in the cube, just a sideways action range after that, such a massive run up of that 9,000. So yeah, I'm like I said, a long term, medium to long term, I'm really am bullish. So, but like I said, if Bitcoin and the stock markets end up going into a big bull run, then I'm pretty sure this is going to actually push up as well. But as news comes out, I'm pretty sure we'll be pushing up then as well. But if you like this kind of content, give us a like, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe. That would be greatly appreciated. And like I said before, if you want to sign up to Tap Global, down below in the description, there is links down there with a referral code. I think if you use the referral code, you will get some Bitcoin. So, have a great day, and I'll see you soon in the next video.